What's up guys, it's Mitigator here and today I'm gonna show you how to search any app on Google Play Store and install that. So tap on Google Play Store. At the top you can see the search bar of Google Play Store. Tap on that and search the app you want. Suppose you wanna search PUBG, then tap write PUBG via keyboard. See, you got that. Suppose you wanna search Call of Duty Mobile, then okay, and this Call of Duty, you got that. Then suppose you wanna install Facebook Lite or Twitter, suppose Facebook Lite, then search Facebook Lite, and here's the app. Then tap on it and tap on install. See, it's downloading. It'll take some time. Well, on here you can see the size of your app. Here you can see the reviews. So that's how it works. Look, it's 75% here. You can see the ratings right down here, and it's installed. If you don't want to install, if you want to open the app from Play Store, you can tap on here and see it's open. It's opening. Actually, it's loading. Yeah. So it's my Facebook account actually. Okay. Get back to Google Play Store. Here. Suppose now you don't want to keep Facebook Lite on your mobile device. So if you want to uninstall the app from Google Play Store, you can actually do that. Tap on the search bar, tap on Facebook Lite or write that. Then tap on the app again after it's coming in. Tap on install. Do you want to install the app? There is confirmation. You will tap OK and it will be uninstalled. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe my channel. I'll bring this kind of video in future. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.